Often I have seen women underestimating their abilities, potential, and the result being is because they come in their own way, they create obstacles for themselves, sometimes because of lack of confidence, self doubt, fearing to accept any kind of challenges, opportunities, lest they will be judged, or if they fail, sees their emotional, financial, social growth. But those who have the courage to accept the challenges and meet head on outshine the world. This is the story of a girl from the village of the Manipur. Not only she broke the age-old patriarchal norms, but also excelled what were traditionally used to be male-dominated field. Bala Devi, the first Indian woman football player, backed the contract with the foreign club, Scottish Giant Rangers. So dear friends, in this video I am going to share the journey of Bala Devi from the remote village of Manipur to the Kingdom of Scotland. Stay tuned. Hello dear all, this is Shumita Paul, welcomes you in Shumita Speaks. Born in 2nd February 1990, Bala grew up in the northeastern state of Manipur, where football is deeply loved and passionately played. Bala Devi started playing sports at an early age because it runs in the family. She also played tennis and handball. Her brother used to play, her twin sister used to also play football, but she took it seriously. Bala Devi was 15 when she started playing for India. She was inspired to play football because of her father, who was a state level player. She was just 11 when she joined a local girls football club, ICSA, and began playing district level matches. She is to idolize Oinam Bembem Devi, a woman footballer from Manipur, also known as the Durga of Indian football. And in 2002, much to her delight, she got the opportunity to play alongside Bam Bam Devi in the national games. She is also highly inspired by Mary Kom. So after a series of good performances in 2005, she joined the under-17 Indian national team. She was 15 at that time. There has been no looking back ever since. Her achievements earned her a job with the Manipur Police in 2010. She has represented 3 different clubs in the Indian Women's League, including 2 seasons at the Manipur Police Sports Club. She was the league's top scorer for the past 2 seasons and was also named Women's Player of the Year in 2015 and 2016 consecutively. She was with Manipur Police Sports Club when the Rangers came knocking. The coaches were impressed with her trial stint in November. Gangom Bala Devi made history on 29 January 2020 when Rangers announced they had signed her. She became the first Indian woman pro footballer when she signed an 18 months deal with the Scottish club Rangers. Bala represented Ranger as an attacking midfielder. Bala had scored a scorcher from over 30 yards, her second goal for the Rangers in a Scottish Women's League match on May 16, 2020. Her 18-month contract with Rangers finished this June 6 and she is waiting for an extension. But Bala feels and she says that she has done enough to impress upon the Rangers coaching setup with her performances in the last 18 months, and she hopes for the best. Prior to playing for Rangers, Bala played for the Indian national team for 14 years. She has scored 52 goals in 58 appearances for her country and has scored more than 100 domestic goals, and she has been nominated for the Arjuna Award for 2021. Bala Devi, India's top scorer and a former captain of the national women's football team, hopes that Under 17 World Cup will draw more girls to football. Despite criticism for playing with boys, she created history. Her advice to aspiring women footballer: aim for sky. So, dear lovely ladies, if you want to create an impact in this world and around, then you need to bring a shift in your thinking. Well, you don't need to wait till you learn more, you acquire more confidence, expect validation externally, or get a pat on your shoulder, and most importantly, you don't need to wait until you feel comfortable and confident in your abilities. What you really need is grab the opportunity, accept the challenge, evolve as a better individual, and radiate in your life. Dear friends, I hope you have found this video informative and interesting. And if you found it interesting, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So please comment below in the comment box, because your comments really makes a difference, and it also helps me to navigate, gives me the proper direction, and also motivates me. So dear friends, I am making a series on this powerful women personalities of India, and I will be bringing yet another video on unique personality of India. So keep watching. This is Shumita Paul signing off for today. Till then, take care and